guys, as you may have seen in the intro, I'm gonna do this pink, yellow, black, white look. And the look is actually a look that I did maybe around 2010. It's this look. And I am gonna recreate this look in a way that I would do it now. So I'm gonna have this picture in mind, and then I'm gonna do the same look, but a little bit different maybe. I mean, I'm older, you know the deal. I'm gonna start now with a primer. So it's so much fun to look back at old looks and see how much you actually develop your skills, like both photo skills and makeup skills. I didn't even have a stand for my camera when back then, I usually put the camera on like a stand of cups, mugs and pots and all different kind of stuff to create like a camera stand. And it worked out fine, nobody knew, so it was all fine. But now I actually have a camera stand. I'm gonna use core crayon in white. From Danessa Myricks, I'm gonna use the Colorfix in the shade Primary Yellow. I'm gonna put that on. Ooh! I took too much. I have no idea what products I used back then. Probably something from... I usually used products from makeup store because I worked at makeup store. Mix it into the white. So I also had a little bit of liner inside here with white and with yellow. So first of all, I'm gonna do the white, and then I'm gonna do the yellow. Did I use eyeliner? I did. Okay. So under the white here, I used black, and so am I gonna do now. I'm actually gonna start with using the tattoo liner in Trooper from Kat Von D to create this sharp line under the eyes. I need a little bit of black, like I'm gonna smudge it a little bit. So I'm gonna take the color straight from the black core crayon like this, and I'm gonna use it as a eyeshadow gel liner. Just smudge it out a little bit underneath my eyes. Let's continue with some Fornax from the Infinity palette to set the black. Oh, I had pink underneath as well. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go for pink. I'm gonna go for Pinwheel. On my eyelids, what I can see here, I only had like a black cut crease, maybe a little bit of pink and very much white up to my eyebrows. So let's make a black cut crease. Okay, and now I'm gonna blend this. Maybe fade it with some pink. Okay, so I decided to do it slightly different than my original because my eyebrows were way thinner back then and I had more space to play with, and which I don't have now. This kind of turns out a little bit drag queen, and I like that. Pastel Goth. I'm gonna use the yellow one called Star, and I'm also gonna use Skull, which is the white one, to fill in the yellow and the white. Okay, now I'm gonna do the liner. Okay, let's do some white highlight. I'm gonna put on some upper and lower lashes. So I'm using my new favorites from, oh no, lash glue on the floor. My new favorites from the ones from Jasmine Brown that I bought in LA. I've been using them a lot of times and they are still going strong. So I'm gonna use them for this look. And the other one. As bottom lashes, I'm gonna use Precious from House of Lashes, which is my favorite bottom lash. Lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna apply some lipstick and some blush. On this look, I just had a pink, like, non-existing lipstick. So I think I'm gonna do something more pink. And I'm gonna apply some blush and highlight. On my cheeks, I used Pinwheel from my Infinity palette. And I'm gonna use Lovesick from Kat Von D on my lips. So the finishing touch would be like, I will just clean up some lines and maybe add some more highlight, and then I'm actually done. Okay, I just fixed my hair, and wow guys, this actually turned out a lot better than I thought, and that was so much fun. It actually very challenging because I was like, what if I don't have it anymore? What if I can't do that kind of looks anymore? But what do you think? I'm gonna show you this look again. I definitely like this take on it more, but I still like the old makeup though. Who did it best? I really hope you like this video, guys. I feel like I want to do more videos like this, so if there's any specific look that you want me to do a remake of, just comment below, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!